She's extremely insecure. I can't imagine how desperate a mother's heart is. A woman's heart aches to see it. She always wanted to change. She tied a rope around Jack. She wanted to take him for a walk, but she wouldn't let her. She was afraid of the world, and even when she was pulled out, the result was more tension. The dog was shivering in the corner. The woman picks up Jack, pointing to the wound. He must have begged for mercy, but they didn't let her go. She was beaten all over her body. The volunteers called a veterinarian. The doctor was surprised to find, even though Jack was hurt so badly, she never bit anyone. The vet measured her heart. Jack's heart rhythm was irregular due to stress. The doctor went in to try to get her out, and then they tried to treat her. She was so traumatized by what she saw. She was traumatized. She struggled and jumped, and then rushed to the other side. She felt horrible for the human race. Her whole body was shaking. When she was stabilized, the vet got her up slowly, one step at a time, and then the woman came out. She sat down next to Jack. She gently caressed her, and made her realize